Hello, welcome back to Microfinance. Today we'll be discussing on why you should use a microfinance bank. But before then, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification icon to get notified of our posts. The financial underprivileged, such as individuals who are unable to obtain checking accounts, lines of credit, or loans from conventional banks, can access resources and cash thanks to microfinance. These populations can be forced to use dangerous loans, payday advances with sky-high interest rates, or even borrow money from family and friends if microfinance is not available. Microfinance enables people to invest in their companies and subsequently in themselves. A financial organization granted a license by the central bank to conduct the business of offering financial services to the micro sector of the economy is known as a microfinance bank. Microfinance activities include, among others, 1. Taking savings and deposits from micro, small, and medium-sized businesses, as well as from groups and individuals with lower incomes. 2. Providing MSMEs, organizations, and individuals with short-term loans. 3. Domestic financial transfers. 4. Non-monetary services. The community-level promotion of saving and deposit mobilization are two of the major benefits of the microfinance banking system. Funds are raised in the form of contributions from self-help cooperatives and low-income individuals. Customers of microfinance banks are encouraged to save any amount. Savings deposits are often made regularly. Microfinance companies offer their customers a secure place to store their savings so they may resist the urge to spend them and accumulate substantial sums of money to meet their household, personal, and business needs, such as paying for school expenses, housing, home appliances, and other necessities. On top of that, customers get interested in their savings. Since the microfinance bank's credit facility distribution system places less emphasis on collateral, there aren't many procedures and paperwork required to obtain credit from them. In microfinance banks, loans can be obtained in as little as 24 hours. A loan can now be disbursed utilizing internet and mobile app platforms in less than 60 seconds thanks to the financial sector's embracing of technology. When compared to deposit money banks, merchant and investment banks, and mortgage banks, microfinance banks have the lowest initial paid-up capital. It doesn't need a lot of structure. As an MFI, it can function with just one office and does not need to have locations throughout the state or region. The only banks needed to have operable branches across the region or country are regional and national banks. Microfinance institutions support both entrepreneurship and the development of the rural financial sector, which lends money to new businesses and entrepreneurs. Rural business owners also arrange capacity building and skill acquisition training. They offer loan disbursement services to deliver credit programs for government organizations that are development partners in the fight against poverty. Collateral-free financing options are another benefit of microfinance banks. Small co-ops that are the lowest of the poor and who may not have tangible collateral to get credit from commercial banks and other banking institutions are the main focus of the microfinance credit distribution system, which places less importance on collateral. Microfinance institutions give entrepreneurs the tools they need to work for themselves and hire others. People who work for microfinance organizations are also employed by them, and most of the time, these employees are locals. Some bank employees are low-skilled workers who might not have the necessary advanced financial and banking skills to work in commercial banks. In essence, microfinance organizations give lower-class members of society jobs. In contrast to traditional banks and lending organizations, which only offer credit for commercial initiatives, microfinance banks also offer household assistance credit to help impoverished people pay for things like medical expenses, child care costs, rent, and home appliances. Salary earners can also get rapid loans from microfinance banks to cover their daily expenditures until their paychecks are reimbursed. Banks that specialize in microfinance collect money from individuals who already have it and distribute it to those who require it for their businesses. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.